Hi everyone, welcome to Sorted Digital. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can get CapCut Pro for just $1 like this. As you can see, this is my profile, and you can see the Pro in front of my name. So I'm gonna show you guys how you can get CapCut Pro like this for 1 month for just $1, and this works on both Android, iPhone, and desktop app. So let's get right into today's video. So all you have to do is to open your browser. You can use Chrome browser or Safari or any browser and search g2g.com. So this is the site. So let's wait for it to load. So once you go to the site, you are going to see this home page. All you have to do is to sign up. I already have an account, so I'm logged in already. So once you sign up, you see this home page. All you have to do is just to scroll down in these categories and click software and apps. So I'll click software and apps. So let's wait for it to load. You see different options. You see CapCut, you see Super Grok, you see Reddit, Grok, Facebook, and every other. But we are focusing on CapCut in this video, so I'll click on CapCut. So as you can see, guys, look at the account. So all you have to do is to click on this arrow and click on lowest price. So I'll click on lowest price and it's going to load, and just scroll down so you see these 26 offers. As you can see, this $1, this 26 offers. You click on it. So let's wait for it to load. As you can see, guys, this CapCut Pro subscription works on iOS, Android, and PC. It's 1 month and it's a private account. As you can see, you read the full description. So as you can see, and there's auto renewal every 7 days. So you can chat with the seller and you can click buy now. Don't worry, guys, it's safe. And I'm gonna show you guys the one I purchased, so you guys don't have to doubt this site. So all you have to do is just to click buy now if you are ready, and you click on this to confirm and you click buy now. So let me show you guys the one I bought. So I'm gonna go back to my profile. I'm gonna go back and click my profile and I'll click purchase orders. So I'll scroll to completed. As you can see, guys, this is the one I bought. As you can see, 0.99 USD. That was $1. You can use your card to pay or you can use crypto. So guys, it's actually safe. So this is how you can enjoy CapCut Pro for just $1. I'll log into my account. As you can see, guys, you can literally do anything. You can use AI lab, you can use template. As you can see, I'll do anything. You can use AI lab. You can make hilarious meme videos with it, so you don't have to pay $10 per month for CapCut Pro anymore. Just follow these steps. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Please.